Welcome traders. Before I talk too much, I want to show you the performance of the strategy these days. This was today. Uh, this was today. USD CAD. That was yesterday. See that? That was yesterday. GBP USD. This was today. That was yesterday. And Euro USD. This is today. That was yesterday. I won't go to the previous days, but it's almost the same thing. The signals were all posted in the signal group. So what I want to do today is to give you the rules of this strategy. Remember, this is the easiest strategy you will find on the internet. The easiest strategy. But there are certain rules that you need to keep for you to get these good results. Okay, for example, right here, this is a perfect example. If I open the sessions indicator, you will notice the importance of trading Euro USD during the London session. Okay, this blue box is the London session. I'll show you how to set up the indicator by the end of the video. So right here, the reason is very evident. You can see that price only moves during the London session, and then it is ranging and it moves again during the London session. So that's why we trade every pair during that specific session in which it moves. For all these different pairs, you will find the right session for that. And I still have that PDF that I am selling. I'll leave the link in the video description. On that PDF, you'll see the session and the pairs to trade. Right here, I wrote the time so that you can be able to adjust the time according to your region. So you have London session and the pairs to trade during the London session. So right here, you will have Euro USD, USD CAD, and NZD CAD. I'm giving you the London session. And then on Tokyo Close, New York Open, and on London Close, you will find that on that PDF. On that PDF, you don't really find the strategy. You find the pairs that you are supposed to trade during those sessions, even though I have also attached the strategies that are going to guide you on how you are supposed to enter the market. I'm also going to do that in this video. Okay, so remember the first thing, to trade during the right time. And another thing, let me show you, gap filling. So right here, remember the rules of the strategy. I'll open the London session. According to the strategy, when the London session opens on the 5 minutes time frame, you mark the first candle of the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, you just mark the first candle, and if price closed below, you sell. Right here, price closed below, so you would sell. But in this case, only in this case on Mondays, the first thing that you are supposed to do is to observe the direction of the gap if you have a huge gap, because whenever price starts moving or when price moves, it always makes means to fill the gap. So right here, even though it was a sell, it wouldn't be wise to sell. In fact, the signal here was a buy. Let me show you. This was the trade that we took. So the only thing that we did was to wait for a buy entry. So always remember, even though you find a sell, if the gap is above, only wait for a buy. So right here, the rightful thing to do was to buy somewhere around this point, and then you have your stop loss below the key level that you have drawn. So that would be the right thing to do. Now, another thing, remember to also beware of news events, especially USD news. For you to find the news, you open this app, investing.com, and on this app, you go to calendars. Okay, down there, you have calendars, and this is where you're going to see the news for that day. As you can see here, today we had these news. Okay, we had those news. Another thing, After downloading this app, make sure to come here and set only high impact news. So you are only supposed to have a tick there where you have high impact news. Another thing, don't dare fight the market. This one works with any strategy you might be trading. Teach yourself not to fight the market. Let's say you lose on four signals come to hit the stop loss. If you were taking the trades with 0.1 lot size and I give another fifth signal, on the fifth signal, don't dare increase your lot size because now you are trying to cover your losses. That's where most people lose. You find that we have a lot of winning trades, and when we have a losing trade, they lose almost all the money that we made on the winning trades. So don't fight the market. I won't say much on that one. Let me give you the entry rules. Let's come here for the example. Remember, you always trade during the London session. So when the London session opens, I'll just zoom in here. You mark the first candle of the session like that. Remember, if price closes below, you sell, and if price closes above, you buy. But then remember the update that I gave you, that if it is a Monday, like in this case it was a Monday, the first thing you check the gap. Okay, you can see that price is right here for now and the gap is above. So while you highlight this, you know that price is going to be moving in the direction of the gap. So whatever happens in the market, you only look for a buy on this day. Okay, so let's zoom in again. You see that what happened, price started by closing below here. So those who don't know, who are not going to watch this video, are going to sell here. But for you, because you have watched this video, you know that this is just deception. All you wait for is a buy entry, and then price comes to close above here. In fact, maybe you would have bought here. See there, price closed above. You place your buy trade in the direction of the gap, stop loss slightly below, okay, like that, and then it took you out. So you wait for the next buy opportunity. You're only looking for buys. So the next buy opportunity was on that candle. You put your stop loss below, and then you target your 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. Even a 1 to 4 works. If I can show you maybe today's trades, let's go to Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, let me see, this was a 1 to 4. You can see that this was a 1 to 4. Let's move forward. This was a 1 to 3. Okay, so you can also do a 1 to 4. So that's the basic entry rule about the strategy. Maybe I can just show you how to set up the indicator. Let's remove this one. All you do, I'm on TradingView, free version. You go to indicators, you type sessions. You select this one, sessions by Lux Algo. You just click. After clicking, you can close this window. You're going to have this. Okay, you go to the settings of the indicator, you scroll to the bottom, remove daily divider, and then you remove the sessions you don't need. Remove the sessions you don't need. In this case, I only need London, so I'm going to leave London like this and then press OK, and it's going to be like this. Okay, if I'm trading New York session, for those who have the PDF, you open the settings again, you tick New York, you remove London, you press OK, and then you can trade the New York session. This indicator also works on mobile. You can check the video that talks about how to set up this indicator on your mobile phone. It is in this channel. So I'm going to end here for today. Remember to subscribe if you are new in this channel. I will see you on my next video.